Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to boost gaming performance on the VIVO X300. So if you want to boost gaming performance while playing games, there is actually a designated feature for that, and to enable it we're going to go to the control center and then extend it like this. And here we have Ultra Game Mode. So if we enable this option, it's going to do pretty much everything to make your gaming experience a lot better. So if we then tap and hold this little icon right here with the Ultra Game Mode, it's going to take us to the settings. And here we have a bunch of settings like supported games. So if you have any games installed and you want and they weren't supported automatically, you can just tap this toggle right here to enable Ultra Gaming Mode with this game. So then we're going to go with Game Super Resolution, and this is an option that is basically upscaling. So it's going to make the resolution of the image a lot better, and there isn't really a big list of supported games. I think this is pretty much everything that is supported. So you can just tap install right here right away and start installing the game from this screen. So then we have Game Frame Interpolation, which is basically an option that is called variable refresh rate. So it means that it has basically unlimited frame rate. So maybe a game is capped at 60 FPS, it's going to just exceed above that and make it about 120 or something like that. So if you want this option, this is a list of supported games. I'm sure there will be more in the future, but this is everything for now. Then we have Game Visual Enhancement, which is just like a color filter for some games, and this is pretty much supported in every game because all it does is just change the colors a little. And you have Esports Mode, which is just like do not disturb and things like that. So it disables some background operation, it enables do not disturb. You have optimized control, which is like some little controls that you can do while playing. You have brightness lock, adaptive frame rate, and temperature, and here's a list of supported games. So pretty much every feature has a list of supported games. So then you have off-screen autoplay, which is what it says right here: bring up Ultra Mode in games to enable off-screen autoplay. So games keep running when the screen is off, and that means, for example, when you turn off your phone and you log back in, and sometimes the game just restarts and you might lose progress or just wait a little to get back to playing. But this option prevents that, and if you turn off your phone and turn it back on, the game shouldn't restart. So then down here we have Game Countdown, which is just this option right here. So if you are waiting during gameplay and switch the game to the background, the system will display the required waiting time in real life. So this is basically just an option for AFK games, or maybe like clickers where you need to wait for something, and you can just turn the app off and it's going to notify you when you're actually ready to complete an action, which is actually pretty useful. Then you have control settings. So this is a setting that maybe turns up the sensitivity of the or turns it down depending on the game. Turns up or down the sensitivity of the screen of your touching. So then we also have the game sound quality and effects. So you can change the quality of sound, maybe like some surround sound. You can have ear customization options, which you can change for yourself. You have game picture in picture, which which, for example, when you're playing, you can have a little window floating right here with a video or something like that. And then we have frame rate priority. So when frame rate priority is enabled, the resolution of the game will be reduced to ensure smooth gameplay. So it prioritizes frame rate over quality. So then we have screen mistouch prevention, which is also one of the important ones. So maybe you by accident slid like this and open up something during gaming, and if you want to prevent doing that, you can shrink trigger area in status bar or disable 3-finger screenshot. So just do both of these toggles. And that is pretty much it for the Ultra Game Mode. These are all of the settings that you can play around with to increase the performance. And that's about it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.